For a pacey horse, you have a horse like Clover here. If she paces, it's because she's stiff in the face. So we've just gone through our little program here, and we found out that she's heavy in the head. So we're gonna try to get her soft and easy, because pace is a straight-headed, straight body, plop, 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 plop. So if we can get that horse soft and easy, and we can get a little bend in its body, if we bend this rib cage here, if we can get its front leg and back leg closer together, well, it can't do this, so it forces a back leg to land. Then that's gonna give you the gait that you want, which is taka, 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 taka. That's what we're looking for. So again, it's control the head, control the horse. We wanna get this horse as soft and light as possible.